Ka makasali kapag walang bayan.
Tonight with Peanut. Peanut.
Bagong ligo to.
Nagsiyang puti-puti.
Hello, let's do a proper interview with my guest today, Peanut. Hi, Peanut. Hello, Peanut. Come here, Peanut. Ay, hindi pala kita. Wait lang. Peanut and the belly rub. Peanut and the belly rub. More belly rub. More belly rub for Peanut. More belly rub for Peanut. Peanut. Look, hindi na siya gumagalaw. Na hostage na siya. This is a Peanut belly rub hostage. Kita niyo ulo ni Peanut? Is Peanut going to jump? Can you jump, Peanut? Oh, you can! He can jump! The Peanut can jump.
Wala nung Christmas party natin. Irish. Ano ba to? Hila ba to?
Para makang PBB. Hindi,
Parang PBB.
Parang PBB.
Bakit? Sinabi ko sa'yo magsigaw.
Hindi, ano yun?
2 points. Kuya. 2 points kay Kuya. Nasaan yung camera?
Mga kapamilya, handa na ba kayo sa ultimate concert ng taon?
Paano to?
Ha?
Yeah. Good job.
What's up, Araneta? Make some noise!
What's up, Araneta?
Tony G.
Tony G in the house. Hello, Philippines, and hello, world. Ba't ang dilim?
Look in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found, is it too to be true? Not so much to give you. Broken na bigay.
Malakas yung energy natin kaysa sa mic.
Nothing's gonna stop us now.
Ba't may intermission dance?
All this time, I knew someday you'd need to find something that you left behind. This time, all in all, I no regrets. The sun still shines.
Oh, that is very cute. Sige, go. For the picture.
For the picture, pero may paa sa gilid. You know her. Like that.
Pero ang effort ha? The effort of it all.
Or mas okay
Kasi ito yung shape ng kuan ko eh. Ng...
Pe-break muna tayo, mag-weights muna tayo.
Patapos ng kain.
Tapos ng kain, okay. Lateral raises muna tayo. Presses, and down, and lateral raises.
W yan, te.
Ay, naman siya na.
Hindi ko.
Maganda naman yun yung bagong...
Ay, namatay. Ay, hindi.
Face check.
Ano, face
Ayan
check.
siya, antay-antay lang siya. Peanut. Tonight with Peanut. Hello, Peanut. Hello, Peanut. Say hi to the vlog. Hi to the vlog. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. My name is Peanut. My name is Peanut.
Super madam na madam.
Ayun.
Sige, Pacquiao talaga yung datingan.
Paano mag-blower?
Money!
Happy New Year!
Mga madam talaga yun ang ano.
Kaka-dress.
Kaya pwede na dito sa mga slot.
Wala. Ano yun? Happy New Year!
Gusto mo magka-itim-itim
Friendship
dito?
over!
Parang may galit ka sa akin, ha?
Una mo kasi kami pinapauwi ng ano, 1 hour more.
Ay, nagsusugba. What do you call this, Zel, sa inyo? Sa Bisaya, we call it sugba. Ay, ganun din sa Ilonggo. Sugba. Yung eksena natin dyan.
Mary, paano ka din housewife? Very housewife.
Ano to sa usawan?
Sausawan ko yan. You know, that's sausawan with lots of tomatoes. You know?
Tomatoes. It's a cherry tomatoes.
Cherry tomatoes. Nasa Australia na kami.
Dahil sa piso?
Magbibingo na po kami! Taray!
Anong pattern?
Hopefully, this is the winning card. Okay, first, magkano yung papremyo? $6 na may kasamang iPhone 17 Pro ba to?
May kasamang scallop.
May kasamang scallops. Okay, ang challenge dito is dapat matapos to before mag-26 ha?
What time? Time check.
Oo. Ano na? 10:57. So may isang oras tayo.
10:57.
Ayan, so yun yung mga players natin. Ready? Okay.
Let the games begin.
Yung magkakaibigan pa tayo.
Bingo!
Before na break yung friendship. So ano, pa-peel off ng pagganon? Paloob, palabas?
It's up to you. Basta...
Meron pa din?
Meron.
Pero hindi sa labas.
You don't have to do that kasi hindi naman yung kasali.
Hindi naman yung kasali, kuya. Ito lang, kuya. Oh, ito lang. Oh.
Ah, okay.
Big square na.
Sorry, I'm just being competitive. See, sa 2026 na talaga ito matatapos.
And
45 ako lang.
So dapat corresponding letter talaga or what? Ah, okay. Nabigyan ka pa ng trabaho?
23.
Wala, talo na.
N.
Meron na kayo?
N. Edad ko, 39.
Uy, ang layo talaga. Wala talagang chance.
Ano sana kung ganito?
I know, nakatatlo na.
47.
G47. Ay! Bongga! Nakaisa na si bakla!
Oh, 18. 1-8.
Konti na. Isa na lang?
Bawal na si Ate Camille. Oh, 63!
Oh, 64. 64.
Wala ka tawag eh.
Winner! Oh.
6,000 ba naman na panalo?
Isigaw mo na! Bingo!
Ay, layo natin. Ikaw, dalawa.
Huwag ka makasari kapag walang bayan. May card ka na? Okay. Alright, handa na ba kayo?
Letter and then just...
Okay. First number. Sa letrang I, 19. Wale. Okay, bilisan natin. Next number. Letter B, number 6. Okay. ING? Baka papaasahin ka na naman. I-26. Ikaw muna, be.
Bingo, guys. Nakikita niyo ba, guys?
Bingo! Hello, for the first time nanalo siya. Winner! Winner! Bingo. Bigay na.
Akin na pang
7.
Panggong siya.
Sana ito na talaga yung swerte ko. Swerte.
Ito magsabi ka, kuya.
May 34 doon. So meron na pala.
Meron. Oo.
Yun na lang naantay ko.
Yay! Winner! Two-time defending champion!
Oh, one. There's only one.
30 seconds! 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
More height. Ay, more height.
Mas mabilis pag ganito kami.
More no.
Happy New Year, everybody!
2026. Ano? Irish mag- Abracadabra! Spell out nyo doon yung wish nyo.
Money! Good morning, you guys. It is the 1st of January. Happy New Year! Kamusta? Gising na ba lahat? It is now 10 a.m. and we are heading to the gym. So technically, this is the first day of the year 2026 and we are trying to make it right, going to the gym and not slacking. Last night pala was really fun. We were in Camille's place in Zucoli. We played bingo. We had a lot of good food. We had a lot of good session of chismisan. It was really fun. And I think it's a good way to wrap up the year and start the year. Gets me on. So as what I've said, we're heading to the gym. So today, ando na si Irish at saka si Zell. It's gonna be a first time ni Zell to join us for a workout. New Year's resolution ba to, Zell? And so I don't know, wala pa kaming plano what to work out. But yesterday I did a leg day. So maybe today it's gonna be a core and cardio or core and upper body. Depende po kung ano po yung mabetan natin. So let's see. We're here in the gym. Hanapin ko lang si Irish at saka si Zell. Nasa loob na daw sila eh. Hello! New Year's resolution ba to?
Yeah.
Zell! Welcome sa aming kulto. Yung bagong recruit. Go, Zell! Yes! Ay, sino ka dyan, Mare? Welcome to the Booty Boulevard featuring Mare and her booty. Do exactly the same. We'll do 10 on each side. Just stretch your hamstring. Ganon. Okay. Let's do 10. Let's start on the left side. One last. 10. Perfect. And let's move to the other side. 3. Stretch. 4. Stretch. Nafe-feel mo siya dito. Then just, parang ganun ka lang. Contemplate sa decision sa life. Tama ba ito napasukan mo today? Mga friends ba talaga tong tunay? And just hold it for a sec.
Ganun ba?
Oo. Nafe-feel mo siya sa ano mo? Yep. And then dito rin sa my hamstring mo. Perfect. Alright, let's go up. And let's do it on the other side. Let's do a 10. Go. 1. Up. Stretch your back. 2. Down. 3. Toe. Crawl. Plank. Crawl back. Up. That's 1. Down. Yes. Plank. Second. On each side. We'll start on the left side. Alright. Center. And then ito. And then let's do 7. 1. Yep. Stretch. 2. Reach that. 3. And let's shift to the other side. Go. 1. Actually, if walang class dito, we can still do the workout. May screen dyan. And then may tablet or iPad sa gilid. We can just play whatever track we want to. Ito na yung mga nakasurvive for today's video. Tsaka yung bagong recruit. Tas yung recruiter. Para may kasama sa ano, sa sakit ng katawan.